Hello viewers, welcome back to our Udo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintel Consulting Service Private Limited. So in this video, we are going to watch how to add demo data into your custom module using the XML file. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So first of all, I will tell you what is the demo data in Udo. So demo data is a sample data that is automatically loaded when a module is installed with demo mode enabled. So it is used for testing, demos or the development. So in this video, we are going to add demo data for the mole management module and for the object mole.mole. And into this mole.mole object, we already define different fields like name, place, rate, state, floor, etc. etc. So let's understand it step by step. Step 1 is create a demo XML file into your data folder. So into the mole management module, we create a data folder and then we create mole_demo.xml file. So into this demo.xml file, we added two records for the mole.mole object. And here I explain you what is the meaning of data no update is equal to 1. So when no update is equal to 1 is set, it means Udo will not update the data inside it during the module upgrades. So this is usually used for initial setup like countries, currencies that you don't want to Odoo to override later. But if you want Odoo to keep updating the data during every upgrade, then you can use no update is equal to 0. So for that reason, we add no update is equal to 1 because we don't want to upgrade data every time. Now we add two records for the mole.mole object. So we have to write a unique ID. Then into the model, we have to write mole.mole because we want to add demo data for this mole.mole object. And here we have to write a field name and what is the value we want to set into that field. So here into the name field, we set value city center. Then we set New York into place field. Likewise, we add different values into the different fields, and then we create the another record for the mole.mole object. So here how we add two record into the demo.xml file. So now step 2, declare this XML file into the manifest.py file. So here into the manifest.py file, we have to add that demo.xml file into the demo section. So into the demo key, we add this mole_demo.xml file like this. So now step 3, install module with demo data. So now we restart the server and here we open that server. So when we create a database, we add master password A, then into the database name we add a db_mole_new, we add email A, password A, then we set country India, and we have to enable this demo data checkbox. So when this demo data checkbox is enabled, then we install our custom module, then the demo data is loaded. And when we don't check this demo data checkbox, so when we install the module, our demo data is not loaded. Now I simply click on the continue button. Now database is created. Here you can see we set database name db_mole_new, then we set password email A, password A. Simply we log in and date app list, then we activate the demo_mole module. So our custom module is trying to install. Here you can see our mole management module is installed, and here you can see menu, and here you can see this is the mole menu of the mole.mole object, and we add two records for the mole.mole object, and that two records is loaded when we install the module. So here you can see we add name, city center, place, New York, rate 9 into the demo.xml file, and we add Sky Mall, Los Angeles, Sky Mall, Los Angeles name into the second record. So this is how you can load demo data through the XML file in your custom module in Odoo.
If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for the watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.